Hello everyone, welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the #1 store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. If you think your product belongs in our store, shoot us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're doing an awesome unboxing of the Wondercube. The Wondercube won the CES Innovation Award and is an 8-in-1 smartphone accessory. So let's get into it and see what this little cube can do. When you open, it tells you all the different things that it can do. And there's the Wondercube right there. Shows you in the little window. Let's see. My favorite tack pen. Let's open this up. It's a lot of pressure, you know? Okay, go. All right, here's a little keychain, and here's the Wondercube that you can attach the keychain to. Pull that little thing out. And in this one little cubic inch, you have lots of different things that you can do. #1, there is a torch, like that, just a little light. Then it has the capability to become a transfer cord. So you plug this side into, you have either micro USB or you have a lightning head. And on this side is a USB-A, so you could plug that into your computer and you could charge or you can sync your devices. Then on this side, in the same spot, is actually a micro SD card reader, right there, that little slot. Then it can double up also as a stand for your iPhone. Put that like this. You can hold your iPhone as a stand. And it also has this emergency charge feature, which is really cool, where you pull this out like this, and you can plug a battery into it like so, and charge up your phone in an emergency with the battery, which is pretty neat. So all of that in one little cubic inch. Put that back together. That goes like this, like that. It's a pretty cute little device that you can use for lots of different reasons. Let me know what you guys think. This is the Wondercube, little bundle of wonder. Would love to know if you guys backed the project on Kickstarter, or what you think of the project, or what you think of the product. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, and I hope to see you again in the store soon.